Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Policy. Traffic data, and we will map these lists. Select site ID, we'll map on branch 1, and where is for VPN 10. That's it. Add, and preview, we can see this will be show you the how the CLI it will look like. Save data, save policy. So right now this policy is not activated. Okay, so we can check that is Instagram and Netflix is working on the PC or not. The password is capital T EST test 123. Yesterday I also shared on the chat. Let me check first that internet is working or not. So if I will search Facebook, yeah, internet is working. I can click on that so that maybe it is not following any cache. Okay, now I will check that Netflix, Instagram, so Netflix is working and this Instagram also working. Please wait, the page is opening. So right now nothing is blocked, right? And we have created one policy that it will block from this VPN and for this side. Okay, so let me close this. Now I will apply this policy, application block policy. Activate. The same task you can see here. What are the tasks is running currently? Okay, it's done. So I will go to that PC again. First, we will check internet. That internet is working. Nothing is blocked for internet side. Okay, let me search some Wikipedia. So I think internet is working. Searching. Okay. And let me check this Netflix. And let me check this Instagram also. Here you can see it will not open. The site cannot reach. It's blocked. Instagram, I think maybe some cache is there. Let me click further. Sign up. Instagram is not blocked. Is there any cache thing or what it is? I don't know. Log into Facebook. It's working. I don't know what is the issue in this one. Netflix is blocked. So that's how means you can block this application. If I will refresh it again, so it will not work. So that's how you can block some applications through the simple policy. Just you need to define the list. If I will go to policy again, so only you need to define the list here. Let me check my list that this is mapped properly. Yeah, Instagram is there. Yeah, it should be blocked. So you can define these applications. Even if you want to define any family, the whole family you want to block, like web network services, FTP, tunneling, thin client, webmail, any authentication. So these have some predefined family over there. So you can use those one. And under this application, you can define your available application. These are the very long list that you can define there. So like monster.com, right? So Nokia.com, Facebook. So you can Pinterest. So this depend on your company policy that what we have defined. So according to that, and there's a very important use case on this I discussed yesterday also. Suppose a location reported with some slowness and site IT manager found okay this user or this subnet prefixes are using this application in very high bandwidth, they are consuming the bandwidth. That's the only reason that they are following this.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.